is a neat way of partially contracting a name. So let's say you had a whole bunch of names in a list. And again, this is a good way of cleaning stuff in Salesforce. And they were all really long text strings for names of companies. You know how sometimes the names are like 800 characters long because it's just like Salesforce garbage? If you type left and put in a text string and then put in a number of characters, the left function will trim that value to the number of letters that are there. So you'll see an apple. If I put an apple in 3, it will trim it down to the first 3 letters. Right, unsurprisingly, does the same thing. And if you use the function mid will do it in the middle of a text string. So if I take this text string and I want to start at character 3 and I want 2 characters, it should say nah. And it does.
Now, Amir, if you want to do this like to a parentheses or something like that, is that possible as well?
Oh yeah. So if I put, let's see, the value here is apple. You mean like this? Kind of like that? Like,
yeah, like something in front of it or something behind it, and you only want the thing behind it.
Oh yeah, definitely. So what I would do is, so let's say this has a parentheses, right? So I would take, you would actually do it in 2 steps. It sounds like a lot of work, but it's really not, right? So what you would do is, you would say mid. You would take that text string, you would start at character 2, and then you would put a number of characters that you feel like is reasonably assured to capture everything. So I put like 30 or something. That would get rid of the first parentheses. So let's say you do that here. And then you would, let's see, how would you get rid of the left parentheses? You would take, I know what you would do. Then you could do text to columns. So then you could go, you could go to, bear with me 1 second. Where did text to columns go? You could go to text to columns here. Actually, you could even do text to columns from the beginning. Sorry, take back everything I said. You could go to data, you could go to text to columns. This would be the easiest way to do it. You would go to delimited, and for separator, you would put other, and you would put left parentheses, and you would clean it that way, right?
Yep.
And then you would go to text to columns, and you would just do it one more time, and you would do it with right parentheses. That's the easiest way to do it. Yeah?
Okay.
That would clean it off. Yep.